Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AirPods Max cases and covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coto Crea hard case. Apple's included smart case is no match for the books, keys, and assortment of miscellaneous items in your bag, which is where the Coto Crea hard carrying case comes in. This zippered case is simple, durable, and it has ample room to store the headphones while sheathed in the proprietary smart case. You can even fit a power brick in the center of the case, below the headband. Coto Crea's case is shock, dust, and water resistant, so you can take it anywhere without needing to babysit your headset. Its anti-static lining is nice and does a fine job of repelling lint and hair. The case may not be made from the finest materials, but it gets the job done and looks good in one of 5 colors to match. Finally, the external handle makes it easy to fish out of your bag. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Urban Armor Gear UAG compatible. This molded protective case from Urban Armor Gear comes in black or olive ballistic nylon outer shell. Inside, you'll find a couple of pockets for cables and chargers. A handy magnetic strap ensures that your AirPods Max won't rattle around within the case even if you drop it. Urban Armor Gear claims the ration protective case is weatherproof, although even with internally lined zippers, you probably don't want to test that too rigorously with your pricey AirPods Max. You can send the headphones into sleep mode with or without the Apple covers, which the case can accommodate too. If you like or don't mind the overbuilt look, it's one of the best for its secure protection of your AirPods Max. At number 3, we have the Spigen Klasden designed for AirPods Max carrying travel pouch. This case is on the larger end of the size spectrum, but it's decked out with protective materials to keep your expensive headphones safe. As a custom molded design for the AirPods Max, it can fit the smart case too. Be aware, when you store the AirPods Max without the smart case, they may wiggle around a bit here. What makes the Spigen Klasden unique is that the reinforced external carry loop can quickly hook around a carabiner or any kind of attachment system. Inside, there's a hidden panel that you can use to store cables or anything small enough, really. It's not as rugged as some of the others on the list, but it's cheaper too. The case is fairly slim and is easy to slide into a backpack or suitcase, but it's a bit wide if you don't plan to add other accessories. At number 2, we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro, designed for AirPods Max case. One of the draws to the AirPods Max is its minimalist, clean design. But the headset is subject to scratches and scuffs like anything else. Spigen protects your investment while you use it with its ultra-hybrid PRO ear cup covers, which aren't a full-blown case. These protectors are transparent and designed to resist abrasion and discoloration, so your headphones will look good for longer. When you go to sheathe the AirPods Max in the proprietary smart case or in any one of these listed cases, you can keep Spigen's headphone protectors installed. You still get full access to the digital crown and noise control button with these shields, and they're easy to snap off when you need to clean them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yinke Smart Case. The Yinke Smart Case retails for under $40 USD. The internal mold is precisely cut to accommodate Apple's headphones, and Yinke leaves plenty of room below the headband for you to store a power brick and cable. As an intelligently conceived case, it balances the need to store your headphones with protection at a good price. Velvet lines the interior of this water and shock-resistant case, and the double zipper enclosure gives you a bit of flexibility when you close or open the case. Yinke's case puts the headset into sleep mode to conserve battery power, but as is a pattern among AirPods Max cases, the success rate isn't great. However, you can finagle the AirPods Max and Apple Smart Case into Yinke's case to ensure the headset enters sleep mode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.